the white, the red, the green, and the yellow. Nature excels in hues. A view of my terrace garden where we have fruits, vegetables, flowers. This is interestingly an elaichi plant, cardamom plant. I'm trying it for the first time. It was gifted by a friend of mine. I'm waiting. It has started sprouting and propagating. I hope it does give us the cardamom. Nothing can beat the beauty of this site in the morning, especially when you see fruits, flowers and vegetables growing after you have sown them right from the seeds, waiting for the banana to give us fruits.